this is my mystery box. So, let's open it one by one. Come here. Let me show you. This is my little sister that she has a melody. Look. He has a melody. Look. So, let's open it. So, first we have Sunny Angels. Yes. Bakit? Yes. This is Sunny Angels. I love this so much. Yeah. Like 10 out of 10. Yeah, somebody said, where am I? I'm in Philippines, yes. Okay, I will Tagalog this. Ito guys, ay galing sa teacher ko. Yes, siguro. Galing to sa teacher ko kasi perfect ako. So, binigyan niya. So, this is galing to sa friend ko, si Micaela, for in the mystery box. You want this? Wait. So, eto siya guys. And the fourth one is this one. Maganda siya. Kasing ganda ng kapatid. And that one. Ito naman siya. My mother gave me this. Ay, galing to kay Danica ni. And this one is the last one. Rate nyo na lang, guys. So, thank you for supporting me. Comment, share, and subscribe. So, papakita ko sa'yo. So, subscribe.